bus ride goes a little like this. But lately, the ride on the Downtown Flyer is much more stimulating.
When you boarded this bus, you actually boarded a moving theater.
Winnipeg Transit and Manitoba Theatre for Young People have teamed up to present the traveling show, Every Man.
What was that about with the doctor? You know I'm the doctor.
Teenage stars enrolled at this summer's theater camp took the ancient morality play and reworked their own modern-day 10-minute version, just days before making the big debut on wheels.
The kids are learning to act in the moment, to be focused, to be prepared, and to deal with amazing circumstances that you wouldn't usually get.
After all, it isn't every day actors are expected to perform on a moving stage, compete with street noise, and deal with a very unpredictable audience.
You are cool. Ever so spiritual.
My friend said a line, and it was something about nurturing, and this lady just was standing beside me, and she hugged me. And she's just like, now that is nurturing. And it completely threw me off.
The ride may not be free, but there's no additional cost to see the show. A great deal for passengers who are actually getting excited about taking the bus.
It's totally different. Normally you see people just being quiet and keeping to themselves. But when you're watching a theater, it's like you're watching live theater. It's kind of cool.
I'm going to need a bigger bus if this continues, as you can see. So it's quite a ride, eh?
The people on the bus also have a part to play. This traveling show ends July 29th, but if you'd like to see more, contact Winnipeg Transit or MTYP. You could just keep theater on the bus rolling in our city. Adrian Silver, 8 Channel Wire.